Hannah, and I'm a student from Legacy of Purpose Preparatory Academy. My math project is Math in Nature. The purpose of my project is to understand what different types of math can you find in nature. My question is, what different types of math can you find in nature? I think that different types of math in nature can be found everywhere. For example, I learned that math is found everywhere in nature. It can be found in shapes like spheres, hexagons, cones, and parallel lines. A sphere is a perfectly round, geometrical object in three-dimensional space, such as the shape of a round ball. But a natural example of a sphere is the planet Earth. Hexagon. Hexagons are six-sided closed polygons, and it is two-dimensional. It has two-dimensional figures with straight edges. A natural example of a hexagon is honeycomb. Cones. A cone is a three-dimensional object, and it usually has a base that's circular, smooth, and flat. Natural examples of cones are volcanoes, termite mounds, and icicles. Parallel lines. I also learned that there's parallel lines in nature, like the parallel dunes in the Australian desert. Symmetry. There are two different types of symmetry in nature. There are bilateral symmetry and radial symmetry. Natural examples of bilateral symmetry are butterflies, leaves, and zebras' faces. Natural examples of bilateral symmetry are pine cones, oranges, and starfish. Symmetry is everywhere you look in nature. There also is the Fibonacci spiral in nature. If you construct a series of squares equal in length to the Fibonacci numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, etc., it will form and draw a line through a diagonal line through each of the squares. It forms a Fibonacci spiral. Natural examples of the Fibonacci spiral in nature are pine cones, and the chambers of a nautilus shell. Conclusion. My hypothesis was correct. Math is found everywhere in nature. Now I'm going to go through some things that we learned. So here's an example of bilateral symmetry. I'm going to use a circle for my example. So it's mirror images. Now I'm going to draw a cone. So this is a cone. Now, maybe some of you probably wondered, what is 3D or three-dimensional? So it has height, width, and length. So it basically means it comes at you. Again, my name is Hannah. I'm 9 years old, and my math project is Math in Nature. Thank you.